how to get a driver's license in New York. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a driver's license in New York. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a learner's permit in New York. Head to your local DMV with proof of identity, proof of residency, and pay the required fee. Fill out the application form MV44 while you're there. You need to pass a written test on traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving practices. Study using the New York State Driver's Manual, which is available online. You'll also take a vision test at the DMV to ensure your eyesight meets driving requirements. Once you've passed the written and vision tests, you'll receive a learner's permit, which allows you to drive with a licensed adult driver who's at least 21. Before you can schedule your road test, you need to complete a 5-hour pre licensing course or a state approved driver's education course. You need at least 50 hours of supervised driving practice, including 15 hours at night and 10 hours in heavy traffic. Once you've completed the required practice and course, you can schedule your road test online or at the DMV. Be sure to bring your learner's permit and the certificate from your course. During the road test, you'll need to demonstrate safe driving skills. If you pass, you'll receive a temporary license until your full license arrives. Your permanent driver's license will be mailed to you within 2 4 weeks after passing your road test. That's all for the video.